Hi and welcome to AutoRepair Cloud's channel. We have a new release of our application, release 12.7. We have added new features and new integrations to our application, which we will tell you about in this video. The first thing we'll start with is that at the numerous requests of our customers and subscribers, we have added the ability to select more accounting system options that are better suitable for you and your country. We have added new accounting systems such as Sage and Xero. Previously, only QuickBook Online and QuickBook Desktop were our default accounting system integrations. Select your accounting system and click on it to set up the integration. You will be able to set up synchronization to keep all your data updated. For more details on how to synchronize with your financial system, you can look at the instructions. This is a video tutorial which can help you set up and synchronize your account. Each accounting system has its own set of instructions. If you use any other accounting system not listed here, use the Request Integration button to submit a request. One of our representatives will contact you shortly regarding a possibility of integration. The Release 12.7 revised the subscription section as well. Now, when you sign up for a subscription plan, you can pick and choose the options you need. For example, you may subscribe to a particular technical service information database you may need, or add a certain amount of message allotment to your subscription for an additional monthly fee. Below, you will have the final price. It all depends on the type of plan and the optional add-ons chosen. There are different options available for different plans. Next, let's go to Templates. For Repair section, when you have registered a new shop in the app using the demo data, you will have 3 types of repair templates available by default. These templates will help you add the necessary spare parts from the inventory to the repair order, as well as the labor costs from the estimate and the cost of spare parts and labor in just a few clicks. You can learn more about this feature called autofill from this video. The changes also affect the repair order. We have added a time tracker. It is available in labor item and other. It is easy to use. The tracker will help track the time spent on labor. After you have added all the necessary items, and among them is labor, you will then need to go to the labor item, switch the status, then you will see the timer. Before starting on labor, don't forget to run it. The timer runs every minute. Continue using the app while the timer is running. It will be displayed at the top of your screen. We added the ability to customize and add fields for vehicles to our application. For example, if you received a truck or a van for repair, you can add your own fields for the specification of any vehicle. This feature makes it possible to use our application for any vehicle. We try to continuously improve our application and make it more convenient, useful, and understandable for our users. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it useful.